Atten, could you please tell the definition of circles?
Yes,
Vishnu
ma'am.
Venu?
Ma'am, you didn't give the definition of diameter.
One second. Vishnu? Yes, Vishnu, please.
Ma'am, you didn't give us the definition of diameter. You will told.
Circles.
This in
Circles.
You give that circle. You didn't give diameter.
I asked only to define a circle.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell first.
A
What I
circle
should
is a
do?
path of a point.
Who is telling this? I asked Vishnu. Vishnu, tell.
Now what should I do?
You have to tell what is a circle. That line, no. Circle. Yes, Vishnu.
What line?
Circle is a what is circle, Vishnu?
Circle is a shape.
Circle is a shape. Very nice.
I didn't understand, ma'am.
Circle, that definition, no. Circle. What is a circle? Circle. What is a circle? Can you tell the definition?
Ma'am, I didn't wrote, ma'am. You didn't give
Wherever you,
today.
when I took the class, okay. Who will
Ma'am,
tell?
can Rosie?
Dudra, tell. Dudra.
Ma'am, when you start giving
A
this
circle
uh,
is a path
Okay,
of
Vishnu.
a point.
Now listen.
A circle is a path of a point moving at the same distance from a fixed point.
Okay, Vishnu, have you ever heard of this?
Ma'am, I was not there in the first class when you was taking
Then
circle.
you have to ask the children, no?
Ma'am,
Which all things I have taken,
went to
okay?
hospital.
Excuse me,
I went
ma'am.
Okay,
to
so that is the
hospital.
definition, and as a continuation of definition, what you should tell? Fixed point is called?
Fixed point is called
Fixed
center
point is
and
called center and
fixed
Distance is called?
radius.
Okay. Okay. So Vishnu, you note down the notes. Okay, listen, children. Listen. Before starting the class, I want to tell you something. Be good listeners first. Okay. Be good listeners and listen to the teacher what she is telling.
Okay, ma'am.
It's a thing all of you have to study first. Be good listeners
Yes, ma'am.
and listen to the teacher what she tells. And if she, after completing, you can ask any doubts. For asking doubts, before that, you have to listen to what she tells. Isn't it? Okay. So this fixed point, Vishnu, listen to it. Fixed point is called? Fixed point is called?
Center.
Center. And the fixed distance is known as?
Radius.
So radius is a line segment which connects center and any other point.
Boundary.
Any other point. Okay. Any other point on the boundary. Center and the boundary. Okay, children. What can you tell about? What do you know about radius?
Radius it is start from the
Radius arrow.
yes, line segment. Also, it is start from the center.
Okay. Cheryl Mary, tell. What can you tell about the radius length?
Ma'am, plural of radius is radii.
Radii. And are they, what about their length? Are they different or equal?
Yes, ma'am. In a circle, all the lengths are equal in
All
length.
the radii are equal. How many number of radius can be drawn, children?
Infinite
Number of radii can be
number
drawn.
of
So we studied about radii. Next one, we have learned about diameter. Okay, children.
Diameter.
The line segment that joins any two points on the circle and passes through its center. So, I did not tell this definition. I gave another definition of the line segment. That is
diameter.
segment. You can write now. You can write now. Now keep
Ma'am,
quiet.
someone is
What you can write
unmuted.
now.
Ma'am,
Okay.
someone is
Diameter is
unmuted.
the chord. passes through the center,
Selena
right?
Jose is unmuted, ma'am.
Someone is
Very
unmuted, so
disturbance.
disturbing.
Tanya, please
Someone is-
mute. All of you, please mute. Diameter is the code. You can write the heading diameter. Diameter is the code. Diameter is the code passes through the center. Diameter is the code passes through the center. Okay, children? Passes through the center.
Ma'am, we have to say center
This is the
point.
1 point. Second one, diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord.
Infinite number of diameter.
Third point, infinite number of diameters can be drawn. Infinite number of
Diameter.
diameters can be drawn.
Yes, ma'am.
Can be drawn. So these are points. So when you think about radius, you should remember all the points about radius. When you think about diameter, you should remember all these points. Okay. And all the diameters are equal in length, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All the diameters are equal in length.
And you will send these notes, right?
I will not send these notes. I'll send the slide only. Right, children? These notes you have to write now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will say center only, right? Or center point. That point is called center.
Center is a point. Clear?
Yes,
Why should you
ma'am.
tell center point? Center is a point, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, finish.
No need of telling middle. No need of telling center point. It is center. Center is a point. Clear?
Clear, ma'am. No, it's
Ma'am, finish.
Now listen to me. Listen, it's a very important one. See, diameters and radius have mute. Diameters and radius and diameter have a connection. Both have a connection.
yes,
See,
ma'am.
if a radius is this, radius is from center to any
Yes, ma'am.
point. If I draw one more radius
Two
to the
radius.
opposite side,
Diameter.
it will become a diameter.
Yeah.
Listen to me. Listen first. If I draw a radius from the center to any point, it is a radius, right, children?
Yes,
Radius.
ma'am.
If
Two
I
radius
draw
lines.
another, and you are talking?
Running on the same line.
Are you talking? Then, if I draw from another radius from the center to the opposite direction, the long one is known as diameter. Now the radius became the diameter. By drawing another radius, it became a diameter.
Yes, ma'am.
Now children, look at here. This is a radius. And the radius is 3 centimeter. If I draw the same radius to the opposite side, I'll draw 3 centimeter again.
6 centimeter.
And 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter, when it joins together, we will get a diameter.
Yes,
So what
ma'am.
can you tell about diameter's length?
6
If
centimeter.
the radius is 3 centimeter, Shankar, if the radius is 3 centimeter, what can you tell about the diameter, Adil?
6.
The radius is 3 centimeter. Look at the figure. The radius is 3 centimeter. And the diameter. What can you tell about the diameter?
Diameter 6 meters.
6 centimeter. That means diameter, when you draw one more radius to the opposite side, you will get the diameter, right? So the radius and the diameter has a connection. When you, diameter is double of radius. Diameter is double of radius. That means if you multiply 2 times or 2 into radius, you will get the answer. So there is a connection between diameter and radius. What is that? Length.
6 centimeter.
Yes.
6 centimeter.
Tanya, tell. What is radius and diameter's connection?
Radius is the centimeter which is given, and we should
But to get the diameter, what will you do?
we should plus
If the radius is 3 centimeter, what can you tell about diameter, Tanya?
then we should
Either you add 3 plus 3 or you multiply 3 into 2. Both answers are correct, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen to me.
Yes,
Listen to me.
ma'am.
I'll ask one person. So if I tell radius is 5 centimeter, Vishnu, what is the diameter? Radius is 5 centimeter. What is the diameter, Vishnu?
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. If the radius is 5 centimeter, diameter is 10 centimeter. Listen to the question first. Okay. Now, if the radius is 10 centimeter, what is the diameter? Amna, are you not listening to me? If the
Yes,
radius is
ma'am.
10 centimeter, what is the diameter?
20 centimeter.
20 centimeter.
Yes.
Now, Adviga, radius is 50 centimeter. What is the diameter? Adviga.
100 centimeter.
100. Correct. Correct. Now, I will make it reverse. Listen, children. If the diameter is 100, what is the radius?
50.
I am reversing the question. If the diameter is 100, what is the radius? Chinmay. Yes, Chinmay?
Can you repeat the
Diameter is
question?
100, radius what?
50.
50, correct. Okay, so if I tell diameter and you want to find radius, you have to make it half, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Diameter and
Yes,
radius.
ma'am.
Now let me ask you one by one. I will ask everyone. Okay, Brightlin. Radius is 6. Diameter is
12.
good. Then radius, I'll ask one person. Radius is 25. Diameter is Neha
Can you repeat the question?
25. I told no, listen. I won't repeat. Listen to my question. Radius is 25. Diameter is
50.
correct. Now listen, all of you listen. Radius is 50. Diameter is Anandesh 50.
Yes, ma'am. 100.
100. Correct. Now, if the diameter is 500 centimeter, what is the radius? Ambrose.
Ma'am.
You did not listen to my question. I won't repeat it. I'll give him position also. If the diameter is 100, what is the diameter is 500? What is the radius?
Ma'am, Sri Shankar.
Stop, Sri Shankar. Diameter is 500. What is the radius, Ambrose?
Ma'am, can
Not listening to the class, I will remove you.
1000, ma'am.
I told you before, be a good listeners first. Good listeners, concentrate in the class. For studying mathematics, concentration is a very important thing, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So diameter is 500. Radius is, think. Diameter is 500. Radius is Blaswin. Blaswin,
Yes, ma'am.
tell.
250 centimeter.
Very good. Okay. So diameter is 1000. Radius at Ayman.
Man, diameter is 1000, right?
You are asking me. I asked you one question. You are asking reversely. I don't know.
Ma'am,
You were writing something when I asked.
No, ma'am. The circle was not darker, so I wrote it.
Yeah, whatever it is. Tell the answer. Diameter is 1000. Radius is
radius is 500.
500. Correct. Okay, children. So listen to the question. Listen to the class. Okay. I will ask like this in between. Okay, children. So you studied about radius and diameter, isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Diameter is, you can write as the next point. You can write as the next point. I will move to board?
Ma'am,
children?
I wrote this.
See,
Ma'am, I
your
wrote
all
this.
your all habits you leave in this last fifth standard. Okay, leave in fifth standard.
I'm the fifth.
You became a higher class now. Clear? Hmm? And no need of talking in between like this. Listen to the class. Okay, children. Diameter and radius have a connection. Diameter is double of radius. Diameter is double of radius. Write this as the next point. Okay. Diameter is double of radius. If radius is 5 centimeter, radius is 5 centimeter, diameter is how much?
10 centimeter.
Diameter is 10 centimeter.
10 centimeter.
Okay.
10
Now are you clear about this?
Yes, ma'am. Fully.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
Now you
clear.
can ask any doubts regarding diameter and radius.
Ma'am, no.
Any doubt?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, you asked the question to you asked the question to
To somebody. Tell. What?
plus print.
Hmm.
Can you repeat the question?
Diameter. You tell the answer. Diameter is 1000. Radius is?
You asked him diameter of 500 and what is the
Diameter
radius?
500. Radius is?
Yes.
Tanya.
Diameter is 500.
Radius is? Radius is?
250?
Yes?
What?
250?
250. Correct. Okay, that was the question.
Ma'am, is
Okay,
it
children, listen to
minus
me
it?
now. Listen to me. When I explain one concept, you allow me to explain fully. And after that, if you will not you will not have any doubts. Okay. So in between, you don't ask then all those unnecessary things which I had not taken. I am going to take that also. You will ask. Okay. So you listen to me. I will clarify all the things about the concept. And afterwards, you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, children. Now, do you have any doubt now?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
So these are the points. These are the points. First of all, we will explain from the beginning. What is the definition? Vishnu Venu, definition means the like the question answer, no?
Yes.
What is diameter? Tell children. Diameter is the
Diameter is the
Diameter is the chord
center.
longest through the center. Diameter
Is the diameter is the chord. Diameter is the longest chord. Third point. Diameters can be drawn. Fourth point.
All the diameters are equal.
Fifth point.
Double of radius. If other
Yes.
radius. Radius is 5 centimeter. Diameter is 5 centimeter.
Radius.
Diameter
Okay,
is
children,
10
clear?
centimeter. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Absolutely.
Now, do you have any doubt regarding diameter?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Now listen to me. Now listen to me. See, in that slide, it is given that when I send the slide, no, it is given that diameter, a line segment that joins any 2 points on the circle and passes through its center is called its diameter. This is the longest word, no, longest sentence, long sentence. So for that, instead of that, I have given the definition. Diameter is the chord passes through the center, right?
Okay, ma'am.
That is enough. So now need to write in this definition attached to this slide. Okay, children. When I send the slide, now I need to write in that sentence, right?
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move to the
Okay,
next
ma'am.
one. Listen,
Okay.
children. Move to the next one. So we studied about radius. We studied about center. We studied about radius. Diameter, chord. Okay, these many
Chord.
things we studied. Lot of things regarding. There are lot of things based on these circles. Circle. All the terms are different, which you haven't heard before. All the things, all the terms are different. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
So we studied about this. We also radius. All the radii of the circle diameters are also equal in length. Clear?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
no? Chord of a circle you
Yes, ma'am,
studied,
clear.
right? Right, children. Now
Yes,
listen
ma'am.
to me. Listen to me. Now, next one is arc. 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 Arc.
Yes.
You might have seen arch. Arch
Yes.
shape.
Yes,
Arch shape.
Yes, ma'am. It is
Sometimes
like
your
this
house
way.
going to the hall. When you are going to the entering to the hall, you can see an arch. Mosque, you can see arch shape.
Ma'am, like a rainbow.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes,
Arch
yes.
shape.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
arc.
Yes.
Rainbow is in the shape of an arc.
Yes,
Okay.
that.
So arc is, see children, you have might have seen bangles, right? Bangles.
Yes.
Bangle stop.
If we take a piece of bangle,
Will get an
Yes, ma'am.
when you break one bangle, and if you get a bangle like this, if you break a bangle, you will get a piece of bangle, no? That
Yes, ma'am.
bangle will be of
Yes, ma'am. Arc.
not semicircle.
Not
Again, you are
semicircle.
telling about unnecessary things.
It is not semicircle.
Okay,
Arc
children.
or semicircle.
See, a piece of bangle or a piece of circle. Piece of circle.
Ma'am.
Okay, children?
Ma'am, a
Piece.
hairband.
Hairband is also not that much circular shape.
Ma'am,
Now
not
listen.
like
A
this.
piece of circle. See, children, it is that piece, not the inside part. Inside part we are not taking. You know, a circle is only the boundary.
The
Clear,
boundary.
children? Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Interior
Yes,
part we are
Listen
not
to me. Listen. Mute.
Ma'am, is this
Mute.
an example?
Mute. An arc is a part of a circle. Part of a circle. If you take a bangle and break, you will get many pieces. Clear, children? So this part of a circle is known as arc.
Arc.
So listen. Sri Shankar, mute. Arc of a circle. We can get this small arc and long, big arc also. You will get it. Isn't it, children? Long
ma'am.
arc and big arc also. Can you see that?
Yes,
Small
ma'am.
arc and long arc
Yes,
also
ma'am.
you will get.
Yes,
See.
ma'am.
See. So arc is a part of a circle. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Arc.
Okay, ma'am.
What is arc?
Okay, ma'am.
Arc is
Arc
part
is
of
part of
circle.
a circle.
Part of a circle.
Part of a circle.
Part of a
Part of a circle. Okay. Arc is a part of a circle. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Clear.
Ma'am,
Example
clear.
is when you break a bangle or a ring, you will get small pieces. No, that all pieces are known as arc.
Yes,
Arc.
ma'am.
Okay, children, listen to me. Listen. Can you see one arc here, blue colored arc?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
That part
ma'am.
of a circle.
So this is an arc. It is known as arc shape is like this, no?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
arc AB.
Yes,
when you
It is
when I
ma'am.
write this, you will understand it is an arc. Arc AB,
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
children?
Yes,
But
Yes, ma'am.
you
Like
can
this,
see the
ma'am.
other part also. Can you see?
Yes,
Other
ma'am.
part is
ma'am.
also an arc, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Other part.
Yes,
We'll get
ma'am.
many arcs. One smaller arcs and long arcs also. Okay, children. Now you can see two arcs here. One is this blue color from here to here, and the other one is a black color
Yes,
down.
ma'am. That one.
Okay.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
blue color is the small one, right, children?
Yes, that.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
known as
Black color is
listen, be good listeners. Sri Shankar. This small arc is known as minor arc. Minor means when the
Smaller
children
arc.
are less than the age of 18, we will tell minor.
Yes, ma'am.
Minor arc. And this long arc is known as major arc.
Major arc.
Major arc. Okay,
Major arc.
children?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Small arc is known as minor arc. And the long arc, the other part of it is known as major arc.
Major arc.
Now listen to my question. When I join a minor arc and a major arc, what will you get?
Circle.
Minor arc and the corresponding major arc. Okay. The related major arc. Other part. When you join together, what will you get?
Circle.
Full circle you will get.
Get
Okay,
a circle.
so arc is a part of a circle. Now listen to my question. Listen to the things which which we are learning now. Blesswin, are you listen to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so arc is a part of a circle. Part means only the boundary. When you break a bangle, you will get an arc. Arc is a part of a circle. Part of a circle. You will get lot of arcs. When you break a bangle, you will get lot of arcs. Small arcs and long arcs. So when a small arc and corresponding long arc, when they join together, you will get a full circle. And what is that small arc called?
Minor arc.
Minor arc.
Minor
What is
arc.
the long arc called?
Major arc.
Major arc. Okay, children.
Major arc.
Okay, you understood about arc?
Yes,
Arc
ma'am.
is a part of a circle. Okay, now you can draw. Sorry, you can write now. Next one.
Ma'am, can
Arc
I
is a
continue it?
arc. Arc.
Or
Arc is a part of a circle. Arc is a part of a circle. Means I already told you it is a boundary. Circle is a boundary. Only a rim. So arc is also a part of a rim. Arc is a part of a circle. Example, pieces of bangles. Pieces of bangle. Okay. Small arc is known as
minor arc.
minor arc.
Minor
Is
arc.
known as minor arc. And large arc is known
Major
as
arc.
major arc. Known as major arc. Minor arc and corresponding major arc. Corresponding major arc. Together make a circle.
Done, ma'am.
Part of a circle or a portion of a circle. You can write portion also. Both are correct. Portion of a circle. Part or portion.
Ma'am, we have to write that in bracket or
Bracket. One ditto and bracket.
Yes, ma'am. Portion.
Ma'am, finish. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Now you can
Can
ask
I
the
go and
doubts.
take a paper?
Yes, yes. See children, see this chapter, I have taken some things which is very important and it will come for the exam also. From point, line segment and all, right children?
Yes, ma'am.
So do one thing, you study all the things which I have taken in this chapter.
Ma'am, we should read
Chapter is
textbook
not
also.
completed. Listen children, some more important things are there in the chapter. But for exam point of view, you have to study more. This everything is important, but the circle and which I have taken line segment and all, no? If you study that and if I take one revision test on that chapter, it would be better. You will study better, right, children?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
So this circle till now what I have taken, circles fully and about point, line, segment, all those things. If I take a class test, is it okay for you, children?
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
Be better.
Ma'am.
Some more things are there in the chapter that I can finish only on Friday or Saturday, right, children? Friday we have 2 periods.
Friday, yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes.
No, ma'am. Friday only 1 period.
1 period, okay.
Ma'am, Wednesday 2
So
periods are
children,
there.
will you
Ma'am, when
study
is the class test?
circles related things and up to this will you study? I'll take a small test.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Ma'am, when is the
ma'am.
class test?
Okay, children. Now time
Ma'am,
I'll
when is the
fix.
class test?
Thursday, Wednesday. Stop.
Ma'am, Wednesday we have
Stop.
class.
Today is Tuesday, right?
Ma'am, Wednesday.
Wednesday and Thursday evening shall I take at 7 o'clock? I'll send the link
Okay,
to
ma'am.
you.
Okay, ma'am.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
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 7 o'clock.
Okay,
By the
ma'am.
time
Ma'am,
you will study
Wednesday we
everything.
have 2 classes.
Yes, Wednesday we have 2 class.
Okay. Okay, children.
Thursday we have another test.
Ma'am, Thursday evening.
Evening I am telling. Evening 7
Ma'am,
o'clock.
Thursday evening
Okay,
7
ma'am.
o'clock I have other class.
Test you have.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Class on Friday.
Thursday Wednesday we have we 2 have periods.
no, ma'am, Thursday evening I have other class. Yeah, 7 o'clock.
Only
What
for
class do you have, Sri Shankar?
Ma'am, other one class.
Let it be, but I will send the link to you.
Ma'am,
Is it enough?
Okay, ma'am, we will
Any other
wait it.
subject class test is there Thursday?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, that's
Morning
on
time or
Friday.
evening time?
No, ma'am.
Morning
It is in
time.
it is in morning and afternoon.
Morning time. I will
Afternoon.
send in the evening. Is it okay,
Okay.
for you,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
7 o'clock or
Ma'am, it is
7:30?
okay.
Ma'am, but
Okay,
I
ma'am.
And this
have
address?
class.
7:30. See, children, only this chapter what I have taken till today.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it okay, children?
This
Ma'am, but
chapter,
I have
second
other
chapter.
class. ma'am.
Ma'am, second
Only
chapter.
this chapter, second chapter. Angelina, listen
Okay,
to
ma'am.
me. Second chapter. Okay, second chapter, this chapter. Point,
Okay,
line, up
ma'am.
to this what I have taken, right, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
today any
Excuse
period
me,
is there
ma'am.
for you, children?
Means any other maths period, ma'am?
No,
Maths
any other
period is not there?
subject period?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Hindi and social.
Malayalam and
Hindi and
something.
social. Hindi and social.
Malayalam and social.
Language and
Ah,
social.
Social
Ma'am,
who is
ma'am,
taking,
can
children?
you? Ma'am,
Lippy,
Lippy.
ma'am.
Lippy, ma'am.
Lippy, ma'am.
Lippy,
At
ma'am.
what time,
Lippy, ma'am.
children? At what time?
Ma'am, 3:40 to 4:20.
3:42?
Ma'am, but
42.
Thursday evening I have class,
420.
ma'am.
342.
Yes, Sri Shankar, I'll send the link to you.
Yes, ma'am.
After the class, you send me the answers. Okay, Sri Shankar?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Or Friday, do you have evening any other class test?
Ma'am, Sri Shankar.
Friday only, ma'am.
Ma'am, Friday evening I don't have any class.
Sri Shankar, wait.
Ma'am,
Sri Shankar?
Friday.
Thursday only class test.